We're now on skill number 7, which is resizing shapes. And I'm going to show you how to resize. Those of you who have attended our in-person workshops in the past, we've always talked about going to the corner, and this will resize without distorting. I'm also going to show you by using the shift key how you can resize shapes specifically and keep them proportionate. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to my template again where we have our infographic, and I'm going to zoom out, control and wheel down, and I'm gonna then find the area I want, and I'm gonna work on this little person. I'm gonna resize that one. So to zoom into that area, I'm gonna click on it and then I'm gonna zoom in, and that has then given me that little person. I'm going to show you how to resize. So resizing anything in PowerPoint and Publisher is usually the best rule of thumb is to go to the corner, and I'll quick show you why. So if I go there and I zoom out, it's generally going to do it proportionate and it's not going to distort it. So let me undo. A lot of times people do this, and this is the way I used to do it before I knew better. Pull this out a little bit and then this down. Oh, it's still not quite right. Pull some more. Oh, and then I have it messed up and it's all distorted. So doing it from the corner is the best in many ways because of that proportion that you want to keep. Another way, good way to do it is if I use the shift key on my keyboard, and I'll also show you with when I draw out things how using the shift key is very useful. So I'm going to go ahead to the corner, move this up just a little bit, and then I'm going to use the shift key on my keyboard and pull it out, because sometimes if I don't use the corner it won't do it quite proportionately. So I have then the resize. So that's the best way to resize, is using the corner and the shift key. Let me go ahead and draw another shape in here for you. I'm going to go ahead and insert a star, because this is one that in the past I used to use and I kept having to mess with it to get the star right. Any of the stars would actually work. I'm going to move to a blank area, and if I just put my cursor on my slide, on my infographic, and draw it out, as you can see, as I move my cursor before releasing it, the star gets to be all different sizes. And that's kind of a squished out star. So I'm going to undo that one. When I draw any shape, and specifically like if I want it to be a square or a really nicely shaped star, one of those, I'm going to go choose the shape I want, and the star is now located up here because it's one of the recently used, and then holding down that shift key on my keyboard as I draw it out, it will make it a perfectly formed star. And as you can see on this one, we also have the yellow little diamond that we can use, and we can modify our star at all that we want to, but it'll still be proportionate. And the same goes for also shrinking. I want to go to the edge, and then holding down the shift key on my keyboard, I'm going to pull that in, and that makes a perfectly formed star in this case. So that's it on resizing. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll come back for the next skill in this series. Thank you.